And once you get that enthusiasm and that energy, you feel everyone else believing in each other, that's when things just start to click.
Well, before coming to Loyola, I was a chaplain with the Army in Iraq, and we had a significant mission to accomplish, and the idea hit on me that I wanted to put a flag in each one of the vehicles, as well as each one of the helicopters that we were going to fly from Kuwait into Iraq. And it meant something to me, it meant something to family members that I was able to give those flags to be able to say that this flag went from Kuwait into Iraq, was flown on a combat mission in Iraq, and then brought home and presented to a family member, a friend, and I discovered I had one flag left that had gone from Kuwait into Iraq and brought home with me. And I thought, what better place to have that flag fly than with the sophomore football team.
Wow, that was just one of the most memorable moments of the season for me. We were in the locker room in the field house, home game. And just before we go out, Father Quinn is, all the players are lined up inside the hallway. And Father Quinn is going down the hallway and having each player touch the flag. And he's going all the way down to the end and then coming all the way back. Every one of the players touches it, all the coaches touch it. And then he explains where the flag has been and explains what it meant to him, and presents it to Coach Vivo and to the team, and that just made the hair on the back of my neck stand up. I mean, it was a really, really cool feeling. I mean, I was just ready to just run out the door, you know, and take the field. I was ready to go anywhere.
I thought it would help to let them know a little bit of who I was and how they could possibly connect with something bigger than themselves.
You know, you're playing football, you're playing a game, but there's a bigger picture. You know, there's people risking their lives, you know, all those brave soldiers that are out there, you know, fighting for our freedom. And it means a lot. It means, you know, to walk out, to hit the tap in sign and then see that American flag hanging there, it means a lot to me. I know it means a lot to the team. And to see that and know what it represented, the Army or America, and you think, that's what I want to be and that's what I want my team to be like, is, you know, a family. You want to be like giving 100% just like the soldiers do. So it was really like symbolic and really, I think, important to the team.
I felt like that was unity, like brotherhood, how we stayed together, we were there for each other, we never left each other like out on a post or something, we always just were there for each other.
Offense, defense, the hits that they put on people, the blocking for the running back, to be able to see that through the viewfinder, it gave me great joy, and to be able to know that we were going to have images, and those are better pictures than I've ever had before. And part of that is maybe I have another year of experience shooting, but I also think that the players themselves contributed to great photos, because the hits, the runs, the blocking, the cheering on the sidelines, the coaches, them listening to the coaches, that's all reflected through the lens, and it was just easy to photograph this team.